Tutorial: How to access our Tradingview indicators on Whop. Before we begin, make sure you already have a Tradingview account. You'll need it to access and use our indicators and strategies. First, join our community on Whop. Click Join to get started. Next, go to your Tradingview profile page. Copy your exact username. You'll find it at the top of your profile right next to your picture. This step is very important. Double check to make sure it's correct. In your Whop dashboard, go to the Integrations tab. Paste your Tradingview username into the Claim Indicators section and click Claim. You'll see a success message. This means your access has been granted. Repeat the same process for the Strategies section. Paste your username again and click Claim. You'll receive another success confirmation. You'll also receive a notification on Tradingview confirming that your indicators have been successfully claimed. Here you can see all the Titans indicators and strategies you've claimed. Now open any chart on Tradingview, for example, the Bitcoin chart. At the top, click on Indicators and scroll down to the Invite-Only Scripts section. This is where you'll find the Titans Invest indicators and strategies you just claimed, ready to use. Just click on the name of an indicator to add it to your chart. Check weekly for new updates. We're always bringing you powerful new tools. To better understand how each indicator or strategy works and how to use it with precision, click on Read More. Here are some examples. That way you'll have all the details and can apply each tool effectively. Now it's up to you, Titans. The wizards at Titans Invest have prepared tools so powerful, they verge on the sublime. It's time to explore, test, and unleash your magic with them. Good trades, Titans.